Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to make a heat map in Microsoft Excel. So here I have a sheet in which I have the names of the states of India and their respective average temperatures starting from January up to December. So I want to make a heat map for the same. So in order to make the heat map, first you select the entire data by pressing Ctrl Shift and down arrow and Ctrl Shift and right arrow. Remember, I have selected only the numeric value. After that, click on the Home tab, and in the Home tab select Conditional Formatting, and in Conditional Formatting select Color Scales. So in color scales, you have the option green, yellow, red color, or you have red, yellow, green color, or green, white, red color, or red, white, green color. So in our scenario, we will select the second option, which is red, yellow, green color. So what happens is it will show me all the states in which the temperature is high in red color, and the states in which the temperature is less, it will show me in green color. So I click over here and my heat map is ready. If I want, instead of green color, I want to show blue color, which indicates coolness. So I will select my entire data range once again. Then I would click on Home, again select Conditional Formatting and select Manage Rules. In Manage Rules, here I would select Edit Rule, and where you have the green color, I will change it to a light blue color, and then I would select OK, and again OK. So wherever there is cool temperature, it will show me in blue color, and wherever it is high temperature, it will show me in red color. So this is how you create a heat map in Microsoft Excel. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.